Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today I will present a financial performance analysis comparing Barakah Offshore Berhad PN17 and Hibiscus Petroleum Berhad for the period from 2023 to 2025. For the company background, Barakah Offshore Berhad is an oil and gas service company listed on Bursa Malaysia in 2013. Its core activities include offshore services, EPCC projects and maintenance services. However, the company is currently classified under PN17, indicating significant financial distress. On the other hand, Hibiscus Petroleum Berhad is involved in oil and gas exploration and production. It was listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia in 2011 and is recognized as a financially healthy and profitable company. Next, let us look at the asset structure of both companies. Based on the charts, both companies hold a large proportion of non-current assets, particularly property, plant and equipment. For Barakah Offshore, the increase in PPE indicates investment in long-term assets to support operational capacity. In addition, the increase in cash balances suggests improved liquidity and greater financial flexibility. For Hibiscus Petroleum, PPE increased significantly due to continued investment in exploration and production activities. Although cash balances declined slightly, the funds were utilized to support operation and future expansion projects. Overall, Hibiscus Petroleum demonstrates a stronger asset structure with better growth prospects compared to Barakah Offshore. Looking at efficiency ratios, Hibiscus Petroleum recorded improving inventory turnover and maintained efficient receivables collection. Barakah Offshore showed some improvement in receivables turnover but remained less efficient overall. The DuPont analysis also revealed that Hibiscus Petroleum generated more stable returns, while Barakah Offshore experienced fluctuating profitability and weaker asset utilization. For the profit and loss analysis, Barakah Offshore experienced declining revenue and unstable profitability, while Hibiscus Petroleum remained profitable throughout the 3 years despite some fluctuation in revenue. The Altman Z-score analysis showed that Barakah Offshore remained in the distress zone, indicating high financial risk. On the other hand, Hibiscus Petroleum stayed in the grey zone, reflecting a more stable financial position. In terms of corporate governance, Hibiscus Petroleum demonstrates stronger risk management, a better audit structure, and a more experienced board of directors. In conclusion, Hibiscus Petroleum outperformed Barakah Offshore in profitability, efficiency, financial stability, and growth potential. Although Barakah Offshore showed signs of recovery, it still faced significant financial challenges.
So for part B, we analyze the compliance of Barakah Offshore and Hibiscus Petroleum with MFRS 8, which is operating segments, and MFRS 121, which is foreign operation, based on information disclosed in their annual reports. So for MFRS 8, which is operating segment, both companies disclose their operating segments, which is segment revenue, segment profit or loss, segment assets, and the basis of segmentation. Therefore, both companies generally comply with the disclosure requirements of MFRS 8. However, Hibiscus Petroleum provides more comprehensive and detailed segment information, which improves transparency and helps user better understand its business performance. So next, we move to MFRS 121, which is foreign operation. So for MFRS 121, both companies disclose their functional currency, foreign exchange gains or losses, translation methods, and foreign operation information. This indicates that both companies comply with the disclosure requirement of MFRS 121 regarding foreign currency transaction and foreign operations. Again, Hibiscus Petroleum provides more detailed disclosures and resulting in higher transparency and disclosure quality. So for overall compliance comparison, both companies comply with the requirements of MFRS 8 and MFRS 121. However, Hibiscus Petroleum demonstrates stronger compliance, higher transparency and better disclosure quality compared to Barakah Offshore. So in conclusion, Hibiscus Petroleum outperformed Barakah Offshore not only in financial performance but also in the quality of financial reporting and disclosure practice.